Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today, it's Thanksgiving. So happy Thanksgiving to everybody. Normally, I wouldn't be doing a video today, but we've got some really killer Black Friday deals that we've got this week. You could hear my family in the background. I'm here with my brother, my sister-in-law, and my nephews, and we're enjoying the chaos, the lovely family chaos that comes with that. And so really excited to be here right now, and we're definitely enjoying ourselves. And I hope that you are too. But I wanted to do this video real quick, again, because of these Black Friday deals that we've got going on. We've got 3 different sales that kind of jumped out at me. These are huge savings on some items that are, generally big ticket items, but you can save a ton of money. The first one especially jumps out at me as just being a crazy good deal overall. So let's dive right into it so we can all get back to our Thanksgiving and our family and friends. The first one is Battleborn batteries. They're doing a huge sale, okay? And keep in mind, if you guys are interested in participating in this sale, use the link in the description I have below for that. That will give... it's an affiliate link, so if you're looking for a way to support the channel, use that link because it'll direct you to the sales, and I get a little bit of credit for the sale. So if you're making, the leap to go over there and buy the products, it'd be cool if you use that link to do it. So Battleborn batteries doing 3 different sales essentially. You've got $400 off lithium batteries, so that's all they're saying, a lithium battery, so their whole lithium line, that's plus $400 plus, so it could go up. I'm not sure exactly what that looks like and what the biggest savings is, but $400 off right off the bat, that's a big deal, especially when you're dealing with those 100 amp hour 12 volt batteries that I use in my bass boat. I mean, that's they're usually $8.99, so it's about 40% off, 45. I'm not good at math, but it's close to that. That's a great deal. So $400 plus off lithium batteries. Then they have 25% off of their B stock. So I think that the B stock just means a lot of the items that are already reduced price, you get 25% off. So those are huge savings as well. And so that could, mean big things as far as savings. And then 50% off of their apparel. You can get some cool swag on their website for 50% off right now. Yeah, cool stuff. I know that I don't know if they have it anymore, but they've even got like dog collars and stuff like that on their apparel line. So they got all kinds of cool stuff there. The next sale is bassboatelectronics.com. They're doing a sale, a blowout sale for Black Friday for the Lowrance HDS 12 Lives with no transducers. So they don't have transducers, but they are $17.99. Huge savings. Usually, I think when they're brand new, they're closer to, $2,500 or something like that. So big savings. Overall, the Lowrance HDS 12 Lives are awesome. So $17.99, that's a steal. And then finally, we've got Fitzgerald Fishing, which is 20% off store wide, and that's through November 29th. So I don't know, what you're waiting for. You got to go check out that sale because the 20% off of their entire inventory on their website is a really good deal, simple deal, across the board, and just really good. So anyways, guys, those are the deals that really just kind of, were really just in your face good deals overall. So go check them out. And again, if you're doing the Battleborn batteries thing, be sure to use the affiliate link in the description below to purchase those batteries. It's a great way to support my channel. So thank you guys very much. I hope that you have a wonderful Thanksgiving with family and friends. Get back to it. Stop watching YouTube, and I'm going to see you guys out on the water. Take care.